here what we will see is nothing but here what we will see is nothing but the one and only river basics. Okay, basics of river or river basics. Okay, this is the river lesson basics. Okay, yeah, these are the river lesson basics. Okay, yeah, these are the river lesson basics. Okay, the first point we have to see is here is nothing but the first point here what we have to see is nothing but here first point, it is nothing but the Himalayan rivers. Okay, the Himalayan rivers, the Himalayan rivers. Okay, these Himalayan rivers are also called as perennial rivers. These are also called as an young rivers. These are also called as an young rivers, and these are also called as an permanent rivers. These are also called as an permanent rivers. Okay, next, the second one is nothing but the monsoon rivers. The monsoon rivers. Okay, the monsoon rivers are also called as an what? The monsoon rivers are also called as an what? Temporary or peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers. Okay, and these are also called as an what? Old rivers. Old rivers, and these are also called as an temporary rivers. These are also called as an temporary rivers, and also these are also called as an what? These are also called as an Deccan rivers. These are also called as an Deccan rivers because most of them flow through the Deccan Plateau. That's why Deccan rivers. Okay, and they depend upon monsoon, that is river rain. So hence they are called as in temporary rivers, and these are our permanent rivers. These are nothing but Himalayan rivers. They come from Himalayas. They are permanent. They flow throughout the year. But these monsoon rivers flow only during that monsoons, that rainy seasons only. But these Himalayan rivers flows throughout the year. But monsoon rivers flows during monsoons only. Okay. Then we have to see the examples of Himalayan rivers and these monsoon rivers. Okay, the examples of these Himalayan rivers are only 3 rivers. Okay, in India, that is the Indus River. Okay, the Brahmaputra River, and next one is the Ganga River. These 3 are the what? Himalayan rivers. And when it comes to these monsoon rivers, okay, the examples of these monsoon rivers are the river Godavari. Okay, Godavari. Okay, Krishna. Okay, and next Penna, and next Mahanadi, and Kaveri, and next, and so on. Okay, and so on. But when it comes to these Himalayan rivers, these are only the 3 rivers, that is Indus River, the Brahmaputra River, and the Ganges or the Ganga. Okay, that is the thing. Next we have to see that another one term it is there. It is nothing but it is a Rift Valley River. Okay, it is the Rift Valley River. What is nothing but it is the Rift Valley River. Okay, what is the meaning of this Rift Valley River means? river that flows between two mountains. River that flows between two mountains. That is, let us say there were two mountains like this. Okay, let us say there were two mountains like this. This is one mountain and this is another mountain like this. Okay, and river is flowing like this in between these two things. Okay, a river is there, no, that it is flowing like this. This is called as an, okay, this is nothing but a river. Okay, this is called as a Rift Valley river. That is the river that is flowing between two mountains. Okay, that is the thing. And the next one is nothing but we have to see what is that. What are the different examples of these Rift Valley rivers? Okay, in India basically we are going to have three Rift Valley rivers. Okay, those are nothing but Narmada. Okay, Narmada river, Tapi river, and next Damodar river. These are the three examples of these Rift Valley rivers in India. Okay, that is the thing. Next, this what to say is nothing but the west flowing rivers. Okay, the west flowing rivers. Okay, west flowing rivers. Okay, west flowing rivers merges into Arabian Sea. Okay, and this east flowing rivers, what to say, merges into Bay of Bengal. That is, if you see the map of this India like this, if this is a map of India, okay, like this, okay, this east side it is nothing but Bay of Bengal, and this is west side it is nothing but Arabian Sea. So all the west flowing rivers comes and merges into Bay of Bengal, that is Indus river, all these things, and the Krishna, Godavari, like this, these are all things merges into Bay of Bengal. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, next another one is nothing but these west flowing rivers there, no, these west flowing rivers are there, no, these west flowing rivers forms the what, estuaries. They forms the estuaries, and these east flowing rivers there, no, they forms the deltas. Okay, they forms the deltas. Okay, that is Krishna delta and Godavari delta, like that. Okay, that is the estuaries and what to say, deltas. Okay, next we will see that different types of west flowing and east flowing rivers on this Indian map. Okay, we'll see. Okay, on these things we'll see one and each and every river. Okay, wait. Okay, we will see that west flowing rivers. Okay, the west flowing rivers. Okay, the first west flowing river, it is nothing but in India, it is nothing but the one and only, what to say, okay, the one and only, what to say, it is nothing but the one and only Indus. Okay, this is the west flowing river. What is that? It is nothing but Indus. The first one is nothing but Indus. And the next what we have to say is nothing but, the other one is nothing but Luni. Okay, this is nothing but Luni river. Okay, and then what we have to say is nothing but the one and only, after that Luni we are going to see that Sabarmati. This is nothing but the one and only Sabarmati. And after that we are going to see the Mahi. This is Mahi. And next after that we are going to see the Narmada. The Narmada river. And after that we are going to see Tapi. And then next we are going to see Juari. After that we are going to see Mandovi. Okay, Mandovi. And then we are going to see Netravati. And then we are going to see Sharavati. Okay, then we are going to the Sharavati. And after that we are going to see Pamba. And then next we are going to see, what is that? The Periyar. Okay, these are all the nothing but the west flowing rivers. Okay, and they all merge into Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea, and this is nothing but the one and only Bay of Bengal. Okay, these all are called as west flowing rivers. Okay, these all are nothing but the one and only west flowing rivers. Next we will see what nothing but the east flowing rivers. Okay, the one only nothing but east flowing rivers. Okay, east flowing rivers. Okay, what is that? These east flowing rivers means, okay, these east flowing rivers means, what to say, these east flowing rivers means, the first one is nothing but the one and only Brahmaputra. Okay, this Brahmaputra is there, this Brahmaputra like this. Okay, this is the Brahmaputra merges into, this is the Brahmaputra. Okay, it merges into Bay of Bengal like this, because this is all nothing but Bay of Bengal. Okay, that is the one only Bay of Brahmaputra. And next after that what we are going to see, the Ganga. Okay, this is the Ganga. Okay, this is the Ganga. And after that we are going to see Mahanadi. This is Mahanadi. Is nothing but Mahanadi. And after that we are going to see Vamsadhara. After that we are going to see Vamsadhara. Okay, Vamsadhara. And after that we are going to see Nagavali. Okay, this is the Nagavali. And after that we are going to see Godavari. Okay, Godavari. And after that we are going to see, what is that? Krishna. Okay, Krishna. After that what we are going to say, it is nothing but Penna. And after that what we are going to say, Palar. After that what we are going to say, Penniyar. And after that at last what we are going to say, it is nothing but Kaveri. Okay, Kaveri. Okay, these are all nothing but east flowing rivers. Okay, these east flowing rivers, what they will forms nothing but deltas. Like that, this Krishna and Godavari, there no, here they will form one delta like this. They are going to form one delta like this. Okay, like this they will form one delta like this. This is the Krishna Godavari delta, like this, between Krishna and Godavari. Like this they form the deltas. Okay, these are all nothing but east flowing rivers. Okay, remember any one, either west flowing rivers or east flowing rivers, either any one, any of these things, like that, you can eliminate options. Okay, nothing but this is the thing. Okay, thank you.